Welcome to Style Motorbikes, the largest motorbike rental company in Laos, with over 10 years experience renting bikes across Laos and Vietnam. Our 3 Laos shops are located in Paksé in the south, in Vientiane in the centre, and Luang Prabang in the north, offering one-way rentals between these locations with support all along the way. Whether you are an experienced off-roader, prefer large CC adventure bikes, or just a beginner, then we have a bike to fit your needs. With the semi-automatic Yamaha PG-1, ideal for beginners, the Honda XR and CRF150cc as our smaller enduro bikes, and the Kawasaki KLX230 as our large enduro bikes, and the Royal Enfield Himalayas as our largest adventuring bikes. Do more than just rent you a bike at Style Motorbikes. Our English-speaking staff will help you plan a route through the country, give you advice about traveling through Laos, and ensure you know everything there is to know about your bike and your trip, making it an unforgettable experience. We provide support along the way as well, with our helpline providing assistance when you need it. A breakdown warranty is included in the rental with an optional damage waiver available to give you peace of mind when you're out on the road. Rider safety is always our priority, so we stock European helmets, motorbike jackets, gloves, and knee protectors, all available for rent, ensuring you remain protected and safe when riding, and free to tackle all the roads, mountains, and trails Laos has to offer. When you are ready to start exploring Laos, check out our website, look at our routes, and the bike information we have, or just get in contact. Style Motorbikes. Ride the real Laos.